So hello guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm literally going to share with you a free website that is offering to pay you $30 every single 60 minutes. Like every 60 minutes, which is 1 hour you spend on this website is promising to pay you $30. Trust me, this website has kept this promise for over 3 years right now, trust me. But this $30, they are not giving you for free. As much as it's free for you to get started with this website is not giving you $30 for free. You will have to perform a task and then get paid for it. So this task is probably what you've seen other websites doing. Is simply letting you text websites, mobile application, designs, like simple things for you to test and then give your feedback. And then once your text is approved, you get paid $30 for it. This is simply how this website works. So now you know about this website. So hello guys, welcome to this channel. And if it's your first time on this channel, welcome to Perez Tech. And on here, I focus on creating tips on online hustle ideas, business ideas, both digital and physical business ideas, and blogging tips. So if this thing sounds like you, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and then drop a comment at the very end as well. So coming back, before we get started on this website, here are things I need to let you know. This website only pays you out weekly. So it only pays you at the very end of every single week. So if you perform a task today, you have to wait for 1 week time frame before you get paid. So this is simply what it does. So once that 1 week time frame is as elapsed, they will deposit this money to the dashboard and you can withdraw to your PayPal account. So if you are watching in Africa or country where PayPal is not allowed, just calm down, because there are now ways in which you can create PayPal outside in the United States or other countries, because you simply have to apply as a business, and trust me, you'll still be approved. And when you are paid, right, you can simply use to buy crypto from someone on the internet, or let someone in a country where PayPal is allowed help you receive those funds. And you can simply withdraw them, and that person can send them to you through cryptocurrency. So there's no need to say, since they are paying through PayPal, I'm not going to perform this tax. You can't start to miss in 1 minute, like you can't start to miss $30 every single 1 hour you work. So another benefit of actually working on this website is that, just imagine you perform 3 tasks every day. That's 3 hours. You're also using 3 hours of your time daily to perform these tasks, and then piling up that revenue for 1 week time, and then you get paid at the end of the week. Like, trust me, that's one good also you can actually start with. So much about this website. And video where I listed a list of websites that are actually going to make you $150 per day. Then you'll probably be aware of this website because I listed it there. So if you haven't watched that video, it will be linked in the description, and also you can check the button at the top there, the I button at the top there. You'll probably find the video there as well. So that I decided. So here is the website, and I decided that, okay, why don't I also create a tutorial video on how you can also get started with the website also. But here is something you need to know. Don't just come over to the website and click on start testing. You are not going to be approved. Reason is that there's something here they will actually want you to do before you actually get started. So if you come back, like I said, each test lasts 5 to 60 minutes and is completed with your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Most tests are 20 minutes where you earn $10. You see, most tests are actually 20 minutes where you be paid $10. And 20 minutes times 3, that's 20 minutes times 3, that's 60 minutes, and then $10 times 3, that's same $30. So there's nothing much here. Every 60-minute task will actually earn you this same $30. So but here is one thing that I actually want you to know before you get started. You will not get paid if you don't watch this training video and read the frequently asked questions and answers below. Start by watching the video. So here is the video here. So they actually want you to watch this video first before you get started. I personally watch this video. So this video literally is a 1 minute 35 seconds video that will show you how you can get started with these tasks and how to perform each task. So if you want to perform these tasks, I advise you do it on your smartphone. It will be much better if you do it on your smartphone. So that is it about this task. So you don't click here, you come over and use this other button here. So they provided a button here. How do I become a tester? You click here to become a tester. So you see, if you skip this video before, you would have also gone to the wrong place. So this is where you click to become a tester. You can see it had picked out my country here, Ghana. So my first name, I'm going to type in my first name, Mayor. My last name, Gode. And then email address, got the mayor one. The confirm email address, let me just copy it and repeat it. Please do not send any email to this address. It's just a spare email I have my advice for creating tutorial videos. Year of birth 2003, Africa. Yeah, so I'm a product of 2003. So you see that I really get on the online hustle at a very tender age. Time zone Africa, Accra. So password, So let me test, since I'm using a multilingual keyboard, I'll have to test to see if I'm using the right thing. Okay, I use the right symbol. Seems one of my password is wrong here. Let me just retype my password. Yeah, let me just retype it. Okay, so I just retyped the password. Payment method, they only have paper email address, so I have a paper account, so I'm just going to enter my email address. So let me check my device for that. So you can see I told you I have a paper account. So you can see, yes, my paper account. So in case you don't have, I already told you that you can go learn how to create a paper account in Africa. There are a lot of YouTube videos from my fellow Africans that will teach you how to sign up for a paper account and get approved. So here I just included my paper account email. So yeah, you can see it here. So demographic information, gender, male, native language, I only speak English, sad part. Fluently speaking language, only English, I don't speak any other language. Okay, so it's optional. So this form is actually, this place is actually optional. Family status, single, children status, without children, web experience, web expert, web developer, web designer, US expert. So I'm a US designer, so in case you need a web designer, don't forget to let me know. So I'm just going to go for this. That's what I do. Device available for testing, I have a desktop, Android phone. Yeah, smartwatch, I'm not going to use my smartwatch. I'm not with it always. So I'm going to go for this Android phone and a desktop. So optional demographic data, educational level, college, yeah, college, annual household income. Let me go for this. I'm within that range. Employment status. I'm not employed by anyone, so okay, employed. Employment type, self-employed. No? Owning a business. Community type. Community type, I'll come over here. I say urban. Then social network usage. No. Several times a day. Yeah, I use it several times a day. LinkedIn profile, or so this is a link to your LinkedIn handle. So let me go grab my LinkedIn handle from my website. So I'm literally going to my website to go grab my LinkedIn handle. Okay, let me just go there. So this is my website. So in case you don't know, this is my website, perestech.com. You can see this is one of the new articles just released here, how to make money on Amazon. So if you are interested, the link will be in the video description as well. You can see it's a very interesting article you need to learn. These are different options on how you can make money with Amazon. See? So you can turn on the bell notification as well, so you get notified anytime you come on here. So let me just do what I came here for, which is my LinkedIn handle. Copy link in address, let me paste it to confirm. Okay, that is it. So I'll come back here and fill it in here. So that is my LinkedIn handle. Then test adult website. Yeah, I'll go for it. I have watched the training video and read the tester frequency and question. So make sure you do that before you actually come and apply. So now you fill out all the information needed to actually get started with this company. So make sure that anything you fill out here should be your own information. Don't fill out every single thing, because these are the things I feel. Power user. So you see here I went for this option because I'm a US expert, like I'm a web designer myself and a digital marketer. So you see that shops online at least 3 times per month. Yeah, I do shop online, but not up to 3 times per month. Regular user shops online twice per month. And I don't do that. So you see, fill out every single information, say using your own details, but make sure that you fill them out according to how required. You see that I skipped this step because I don't speak any other language here. Like I don't speak any other language here. The only language I speak is English. And you can see this simply up. Once you fill them out, simply hit on apply for test. So You see, verify your email address. So now an email will be sent to you, so make sure you go and verify it. So now let me save my login details. I'm going to save my login details. Then come over here. So I've received the email on my phone, so let me open up my Gmail app. So once you are done with it, you can simply come over to your Gmail and you see it here to verify your email address. So I'm just click on verify email address. So now it's taking me to my profile, and here is my profile. You can see, so you can see 70% completed. This is simply every single thing here that you need to see. So once I'm willing to take tests on adult website. So this is optional, so you can decide to skip adult website. So for me, I'm actually going to accept it. Time format, I'm going for the 12-hour format. Day, month, year. Okay, it's okay with me. So after that, hit on save. So I'm literally taking you through everything you need to do to get the password confirmation. Oh, I need to confirm my password, sorry. Okay, so I saved it. So this one benefit of saving my password, you get to save me time. Time zone, Africa, Accra, yes. Date, yeah, let it be this way, day, month, year. Time format, yeah. Mainly see what I'm doing to actually get started. After that, hit on save. You cannot use the current password as a new password. So you see, once you finish creating your account, you have to create a new password as well. So I'm not interested in this. So you can simply set up your new password. So I have series of password I use. So I'm just going to set up a new one. Or I believe you can also skip it as well. I don't know if they've made update to the platform. Let me act like skipping it since I don't want to set a new password. So the platform is still the same. You see that I just skipped where they asked me to set a new password. So you can skip it up. Then you come over to training. So I believe the training is what will actually help you complete your account to the next level. So you can play this video to learn more about the training. Once you think you are confident enough with the video that you've learned and everything you've learned about the platform, you can come back to take test. So take test is where they're actually going to give you your test, your first test. So download the app for Windows. So me, if I want to take tests, I will actually do it on my mobile device. I'm more comfortable working with my mobile device in this kind of tasks. You may check the app for available tests, but you may also receive email notification for tests more relevant to your profile. So in test history, here is where you can actually see every single test that you've performed. Wallet. So here you see that once you make any money, it will be shown here. Once it's available for withdrawal, you simply enter the amount you want to withdraw here. Then you simply take my PayPal. So you click on withdraw. They say withdrawal using PayPal may take 2 to 7 work days. So you have to wait after you issue your withdrawal. And demographics. So you see, so here is your demographics informations. Okay, hobbies. So here is the thing that you need to answer. So hobbies is simply, let me pick out my hobbies. No, I'm not a casino gambler. Internet, sport, video games, writing, professional experience and interest, finance, I love gaming, social and communications, no, not a good communicator, retail and retail, so just going to skip that, children, birth, no children. So make sure you follow every single thing I'm showing you and I hit on submit. But you need to complete every single profile here. You can see that it's showing that nothing here again. So now after that, you will need to take your first test, and that text you will not be paid for it. So that's simply what you need to know. Your first text, you will not be paid for it. It will be a free text that you need to show that okay, you can actually take up any text that's coming. So I'm not going to download it from my device since I'll be sent an email whenever there's a text available. If you have already downloaded it and installed it, run it and log into in order to see the available text. So you have to download their Windows application, or for Mac you have to download the application to see it. So let me just click on here. Don't go to any other place to go download it. Download it from their official web page. And I'm also going to log in on my mobile phone so that I can get the test on my mobile phone as well. So you see, you can literally save it here and then you can download the one for your laptop. So I'm not going to download it from my laptop, but there are some tags that might require you to use it on only laptop, and there are some tags that will require you to do it on phone. So make sure you do that as well. So hope you find this video helpful, and if it was, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like this video, and then tell me what you feel at the very end as well. So this is simply how you can get started. Once you confirm the first text, and once that first text is approved, trust me, that's simply all you need to do to start making money from this platform. Hope you find this video helpful. So if so, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. See you again in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.